Remember that an assumption is an unstated but necessary link between the evidence in an argument and its conclusion. Sometimes, when we weaken an argument, we provide evidence that contradicts an assumption. We're going to look at an example. We will read this argument, examine its assumptions, and then show examples of how we can use additional evidence to deny those assumptions. Here's the argument. Consuming a half cup of healthy nuts per day has been shown to improve the speed at which certain mental tasks can be performed. Therefore, consuming a half cup of peanuts per day would improve graduate students' performance on exams. Now, this argument has two assumptions. First, peanuts are a kind of healthy nut. If peanuts aren't a kind of healthy nut, obviously, they won't help anyone's performance on exams. Similarly, the mental tasks helped by eating healthy nuts will impact graduate students' exam performance. This is another assumption that we have to make in order for this argument to make sense and be logically valid. Now, let's look at these assumptions one by one and show how we can deny them with additional evidence. Assumption 1. Peanuts are a kind of healthy nut. Now, additional evidence would just be something like this. Healthy nuts are defined as those nuts that are less than 30% fat. Peanuts are 50% fat. This directly contradicts that assumption that peanuts are healthy nuts, and so it's a good way of attacking the assumption in the argument. Assumption 2 was that the mental tasks helped by nuts will impact graduate students' exam performance. Again, additional evidence will flatly contradict this assumption. The mental tasks whose speed can be increased by eating healthy nuts are related to balance and physical coordination and are used primarily during vigorous physical activity. This evidence contradicts the assumption that the kind of tasks you do on an exam are the same kind that are helped by eating nuts.